Hello everybody. Today we'll be doing a first installation and impression of the Titan pallet forks. These are the bolt-on type, and I'll be mounting them onto a Mahindra MAX28 tractor. Quick look at the construction. The front, of course, we have the obligatory warning labels. It says 1,500 pound weight. We have cut out here slot for the chain for extra securing wrapping around your bucket. You can fit a 2x4 in the top if you need extra support. Pretty nice welds all throughout. And on the bolt-on handle, twist-on handle, it's good 2-inch size piece here to give you a nice place to spread out the load as you put it onto your bucket. Along with the forks, I also got the spreader bar to keep them set out at the same angle, whatever you set it to. So this construction here, you got a C-channel with a welded plate on the bottom. Got bolts put on the sides, both ends, and in the middle there's a bolt so you can set the width to whatever you need it to be. One of the things I read in the reviews, a lot of people had mentioned, was it looked like the paint on the tip of the fork was put on by a 5-year-old. And I agree, it does. However, it's paint. I'm not real concerned about it. If I need them to be a nicer shade or a nicer paint job, I'll do it myself. It's a quick splash on there. Paint does not matter on that particular part. This is my first time installing the forks, so let's see how it goes. Alright, quick, easy, painless. I don't think the spreader bar is necessary really for all the time, but it's good to have it there if you want to make sure your forks stay in the right spot. I could see that they might be able to twist a little bit if you hit it from the side. Overall, nice construction. I'm very pleased with the way they go on. Now, next I'll just have to try them out and see how well it works. And of course, tighten up that spreader bar.